Hi, I'm Phil Constantine. This version of Travels with Phil, we go to Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream Factory in Waterbury, Vermont. You can see by the map, it's just a little bit to the left of Montpelier, the capital in the northern part of Vermont. This is the outside of the buildings. Looks very, factory-like. Well, some of you have said you wanted to come along to see the tours and all that. Now everybody wants to come along. The Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream Factory. Come on in. And it is a nice tour. Very pretty outside, but look inside. Hey, even on a rainy day, this is a busy place. Try not to point the camera at anybody's faces. I can imagine what it'd be like on a hot summer day. Except mine. They are sold all over the world. Travels with Phil continues at the Ben & Jerry factory. If it's not fun, why do it? All right, I like that. These are just some of the flavors they've had up here. And including many people's favorite, Cherry Garcia, Fish Food, Empowerment. Now they do offer tours that run $4 full price, $3 for I think adult or seniors, and $2 for kids, something like that. At least when I was there in 2016. Chunky Monkey.
I can play in your hair.
So, speaking of the tour, let's go see it.
And that's a cab for the 1120 tour. If you have tickets for the 1120 tour, please melt on towards me. I'm Jasmine, your tour guide. Welcome, Ben Jerry's. How we all doing this late morning?
Good.
Good. So like I said, welcome, Ben Jerry's. You guys have signed up to hang out with me for the next 30 minutes on a 3-part tour. First, we'll hoof it on upstairs to the Cow Over the Moon Theater, watch a short film on the history of Ben & Jerry's. Then we'll do what everyone loves to do, and the real reason why you're here, eat some ice cream. Sound good?
Yeah.
Good. Before we move on, though, I just want to show you guys our tank room. It's part of the production process that you just can't see on the mezzanine. Our tank room is 6 5,000-gallon tanks. I'll talk more about this room later on and explain its purpose in more depth later. But like I said, you just can't see it on tour. So it's a great sight to look in and then look up and see how large those tanks actually are.
The tanks for the ice cream.
Thank you. Also, if you'd rather use our vanilla-vator instead of the 25 steps upstairs, it's just in the back and to my right, your left right now. Just press floor number 2, we'll meet you on upstairs. As you walk on by me to the stairs though, just show me the yellow portion of your ticket where it says 1120, so I know that you're on the correct tour and we're not forgetting anybody, because I'd miss them terribly. With that being said, 1120 heard, let's get a move on. That's a new handle. Thank you.
Going deep in the bowels of the Ben & Jerry's factory. Although it's probably a better idea to say the core, since that's their new thing. They're very cute, good on puns. Lots of cow sounds, which is, I guess, appropriate. And then the movie. All right, taste testing at Ben & Jerry's. Now, there's some things they don't want you to see, or they don't want you to film, and that's the actual factory floor, unless they're doing the filming. But this you can see, where they actually do testing on the flavors and see what works. Amazing analysis of what it is they're putting together here. Dilution solution over there. And then the thing that everybody really likes about the tour, at the very end, you get to eat some.
And we decided to go fair trade and GMO free. Heat bar is neither. We tried to work with them to make a GMO free and fair trade heat bar. We couldn't reach a compromise, so sadly we had to say goodbye. Luckily, one of our other chunk providers said that they could make a English toffee bar for us that was fair trade and GMO free. So that way we wouldn't have to lose 2 flavors that are really loved. I'll be here if you guys do have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you just want to talk. If not, this is the end of the tour.
But wait, there's more. It's the flavor graveyard. This is where flavors go when they're no longer in service. And yes, these are actually flavors they no longer sell. They've been retired. They definitely have a sense of humor. But one thing about the Flavor Graveyard, you never know what might be coming back. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up by clicking on the button below. You're welcome to leave comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And finally, if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the button over on the bottom right-hand corner. Thank you again for watching.